The final five. These semifinalists.
Ay, heartbeat rin ha?
Philippines.
Colombia. Colombia.
How are you?
Really good, Steve.
Ayun, ilan.
I'm doing wonderful.
Good morning, guys! Hello, mga kaJAM! It's almost 8 a.m. And kanina 3 a.m. na ako nakatulog after ng year-end Thanksgiving party namin. And ngayon, gumising talaga ako na maaga for Miss Universe 2019. Oh my kulay! I'm so excited! Grabe guys, so 10 days yung span ng Miss Universe, ay, yung competition. So, 10 days din akong walang tulog sa kaka-update sa kanila. Oh my God. Ngayon lang talaga ako ka-invested ng ganito sa Miss Universe. Ay, hindi naman. Palagi naman akong nanonood ng Miss Universe, nagsusubaybay. Pero iba pa rin ngayong taon na to. Kasi nga, yung representative natin from the Philippines, si Gazini nakita na kasi namin yan dito sa Bohol noon. Kasi nga, sumali siya way back 2017, naging first runner-up siya ng Miss Bohol. Naging first runner-up siya dito, Miss Bohol. Ano ba yun? Loading pa. Hindi pa umaandar yung utak ko. Basta, Miss Bohol 2017, first runner-up siya. So, ayun nga, ang ganda-ganda. Tapos, basta ang ganda. Nakagandahan talaga ako sa kanya. So far, siya talaga yung pinakamagandang nakikita ko. Aside from Catriona, Pia, yung iba. Pero basta ang ganda-ganda niya. Fun girling. So, but before that, before our reaction video, before natin panoorin ng live, insert ko muna dito yung reaction video naman namin for the preliminary competition and national costume. So, maliit lang to, short lang to guys. So, tingnan natin.
23-year-old Philippines was raised by her grandparents, so she is passionate about senior care. She plans to raise awareness and build support, constructing more elderly care centers throughout her country. Philippines!
Ini aglawas, isara! Para ka dyan tayo mas ng Philippines.
Philippines!
Oh my God!
Philippines was recently named the Sustainable Development Goals Ambassador and received an award from the UN.
Wow!
This 23-year-old animal lover says that becoming a professional model at the age of 15 has been one of her proudest achievements. Philippines!
Kamukha ng gown niya sa BBP!
Poland.
Kaya lang pink, ito gold. Wow!
Poland hosted a travel show.
Wow!
Wala, siya na.
Nice kayo.
Kaya wala ko nagawa.
Nice kayo, no?
Ano lagi putos?
Lah!
Kabog, mas bet ko tong lah.
Wow!
Ang galato, di kasi nakita sa live stream. Ano naman ba eh? Mo pa na isuoto na yung pinikanguan? Hindi ka Domingo, di na?
Dili na niya suoton. Noon naman ni national costume nga show. Wow! Lo! Nang libaw to balimo.
Yeah,
Nice kayo guys, oh. See? Sa'yo mo kayo na mo.
Yo.
View kayo, no?
Based on the results of a week-long preliminary competition, and I
Guys,
have to
top
point out
20
how
na.
cool it is that our selection committee is a powerful.
The first semifinalist
Philippines!
from this region is
Laluya 30 naman no, so far.
South Africa.
Wow! Front runner, sila. May kuha ka sa raya gali. Lord,
The
kasi
second
Singapore.
semifinalist from Africa and Asia Pacific is
Philippines. Uy, Philippines!
Next contestant from this region, moving on, is
Uy, Philippines, Pap!
Hala.
Vietnam.
Hala. Buha na lang, boy.
Puros mga front-runner, Malika Asia, may lamikuha ang Asia Pacific. Ay, ikaw ba, Ana? Naprabram ko
Also
din ka,
joining
kuya na.
the top 20
Baka hindi na naman.
is
Uy, ano kayo Philippines? Uy! Napa-India ka!
Nigeria.
Hala.
Shit! Asa ka ng Philippines?
Hala.
There is only one spot remaining to represent this region.
Patay, iligwak ko kanila sa Philippines. What?
Thailand.
Shit! Asa ang Philippines? Oy!
Gulig-guwak yun, boy. Ha?
Guys, wala tinggal sa inay, guys. Engal maan namin, guys. Puse? Tama. Sa Twitter pa lang, oh my God, dami nang. Ano?
Ano sa?
Twitter pa lang, wala. Gawil ka ng mga Pilipino, kanawa. Anong mga si Gazini? Positive lang ta, guys. Positive lang. Positive lang ta. Kay isang simana nakakapin mo itong ni Gazini, guys.
Kasi may kasugo niyo.
So, tayo sa lasa akong experience.
Di lagi. Okay, magmata. Cellphone na yun. Yeah, Miss Universe. Addict.
May guys, kaya lagi na to guys. Welcome. Grabe sa...
Saan mo na? Kaya mong kasun si Philippines.
Kubuan, pati na wala eh. Visit. Kubuan ka.
We're about to choose the final five.
Philippines
These
lang.
semifinalists can be from any of the remaining 75
Mulat
contestants.
doso na kong heart.
They've waited long enough.
Na, Philippines lagi ko na. Philippines lagi ko na.
The next contestant
Kubuan ka.
in the semifinals
Kuba,
is
uy. Ilang pa yung heartbeat ron ha?
Philippines.
Ano yung pan mo na rin? Mag-rock yun!
I'm doing great, Steve. Wow, oh my gosh, that was nerve-wracking.
Yes, this is one of my favorite countries. They love me there. Here's your question. I hear you have 5 names. Why so many?
Well, Steve, my mom named me Gazini, Christiana, Jordy, Acopiado Ganados, and 3 of those is my first name. So Gazini, which means Gazan, which is from my dad's name. Christiana, because I was actually born after Christmas, so I'm December 26th. So what you guys don't know is that this is a great opportunity for me to shout out to all my friends and family who gives me one gift on Christmas and on my birthday. So, so guys, Steve, I only want one gift this Christmas and my birthday. And I think you already know about that.
We'll see. Thank you, Philippines.
Sila niya. Diba, naka-pattern na yung ano. Ito ba ba?
The second of our final 5
Okay,
semifinalists.
connect kayo. Ano?
Napay chili.
Ilag niya. Pinsa? Ilag, bilis lang.
Food, ako food.
Kaya namin, Colombia. Colombia.
How are you?
Really good, Steve. And you?
Ayun, ilag.
I'm doing wonderful.
Mapagani.
Doing wonderful. Here's your question. You said that you feel most at home when
Saan ba
you're
ako?
underwater.
Yun yung sa gatas, yun yung sa
What
gatas.
is it? Philippines.
Oh, nasa flag ni
The
wow.
world is age 8, and my grandparents raised me, and I've worked in an organization that was supporting for elderly care. I learned then, I realized that there's this stigma between ageism, poverty, exclusivity, and invincibility. It is rightful for us to remember remember that they were the ones who paved the way for us. And we should reciprocate that love and no one should ever be left behind. Thank you.
Ano yung tubaan mo, Mike?
Ikaw mo, sige. Yung ano?
Ilaw, may ginawa ba?
Right before your very eyes. This is the moment. Let's
Marapog
meet
ka ng...
our top
Feeling ko na ako immediate family ko ni Gazini, no?
with our first finalist.
Top 10 na guys!
USA
Oh my God, look me!
earning the next spot in our top 10 tonight. Colombia
Kaya ko yun.
on to the next round. Puerto Rico
Philippines, oy! Ayas, Philippines.
Pilot eh.
South Africa.
Shit, lumaya sa Philippines na!
Philippines. Philippines.
The eighth contestant
Philippines.
entering the next
Ano
round.
yung Philippines sila? Philippines!
Indonesia,
May ate.
Thailand,
Tayo dito masud ang Philippines. Ano yun? Masud lang ang Philippines, Lord.
Mexico,
Shit! Google.
I'm a writer and a speaker. I wrote 2 books about how to use science.
the first finalist with the chance at Miss Universe is Mexico,
Yes!
South Africa.
Yes!
Final contestant in the top 3 is Puerto Rico.
Ay! Ligwak si Colombia! Alam mo, ang good siya, God. In fairness, sakto akong top 3.
What is the most important thing we should be teaching young girls today?
Lo!
Steve, it's very important to teach young girls today the importance of their true value. We see so many perfection in social media, perfect lives, perfect bodies, perfect faces, perfect relationships. Nothing is that real. We have to teach them that who they are is already amazing. Who they are is already worth it. Because what they really are is not what it looks like. It's what they feel, what they act, and the way they react to the world. I believe a girl is worth for what she has to offer to the world way more than the way she looks. Thank you.
Wow! Ganoon to na Mexico! Mexico.
Please remove South Africa's headphones. All right, here we go, South Africa. Here is your question. What is the most important thing we should be teaching young girls today?
I think the most important thing we should be teaching young girls today is leadership. It's something that has been lacking
Oh,
in
pwede
young
po.
girls and women for a very long time. Not because we don't want to, but because of what society has labeled women
Pwede
to be.
po.
I think we are the most powerful
Nice.
beings on the world, and that we should be given every opportunity. And that is what we should be teaching these young girls, to take up space. Nothing as important as
Wow.
taking up space in society and submitting yourself.
Wow!
Thank you, South Africa.
Wow! Nagmi... Ah, oy!
All right, let's remove
Gang nagmigig mga tubagang! Nagmig mga tubag, oy! Ikaw, dugay ka kang suot.
Puerto Rico.
Wow.
Here is your question.
Nagmig mga
What is the
tubag.
most important thing we should be teaching young girls today?
There's so many things
Kapilan.
that I would
Wala
like to
lang.
teach young girls if I had the
Wala lang
opportunity
dalawa.
to be your next Miss Universe. Such as in a world where so many people wear masks, it's such a beautiful thing to see an authentic soul. So to embrace your uniqueness, to embrace who you are, because you just don't know who you can inspire just by being you. To celebrate that. Thank you.
Ay, nagmig mga tubag.
Kasi yung pangalan mo sila na
Feeling na kasi Mexico or South Africa ang
For Miss
daog.
Universe
Pero kinsa mo,
2019.
walang sayang sa kanila tatlo, grabe. Super deserving. Super deserving siya. Starter lang kamay siya.
Mexico.
Oh! Wow! What if mabalik sa South Africa ang crown? Wow!
The new
Karon,
Miss Universe
masig
is
ibalik ra ba?
South.
Wow! Gibalik! Oh my God! Congrats! Congratulations, South Africa! But it's alright! That's all for now. Wala ka gang. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell button for our next video.